We're using Love Indoors from Night Watch Soap Company today, and there's a specific reason behind using this. We'll use the matching splash as well. And EDPs are coming to the razor company. We'll get into a little bit more of that, but this is the 37th shave, as you can see here. That's the side label, by the way. This 37th shave on this one tub. I say shave, I'm gonna start loading the brush here. By the way, we're using the TRC cream soda. I say shave, but really sometimes what I'll do is I'll just load for my typical 15 to 20 seconds and then just pull the lather out of the brush because I want to see how long it takes to kill a tub. I'm thinking I can probably get another 2 shaves off of this tub, so 37, 38, 39 probably, just under 40. So you could use it straight for over a month, which I think is pretty good. I think it's probably standard across the board. Night Watch Soap Company's soaps are not, so that's all I'm gonna load right there. Night Watch Soap Company soaps are not, they're not super soft, they're not cropes. So because of that, you know, they do last a little longer, I'd like to think. But yeah, the scent on this is very, very nice. You know, on the TRC lives, sometimes I'll say Emerald Pools. It's really a toss up between this and Emerald Pools. Love Indoors is phenomenal as well. My wife actually picked out the label art for this, Love Indoors, and yeah, the scent is just very nice, very pleasant. But I'm using this soap because I want to, number one, but number two, we are restocking at the razor company. Full restock coming Friday. As I'm recording this, it's Wednesday night. So I don't know, the shipment's supposed to be there Thursday, tomorrow. I'm not sure if it will get there or not. I'm not sure what Jason's lineup is at the razor company for, you know, that day as well. So I've got to chat with him and see, but hopefully Friday, Saturday of this week, we'll have our full lineup back in stock there, including EDPs. EDPs, we do not have a ton that are sent there. So if you're interested in an EDP, I'm not saying that to sell more. All I'm telling you is there's not a lot. So if you wanted to jump on an EDP for either Midnight Moods, Emerald Pools, or Love Indoors, you might want to do it because there's not a lot there at the razor company. All right, so that's, as you can see, nice sheen, enough for most definitely 2 passes in the brush. Let me see, I'm curious. For sure, 1 more shave, maybe 2. There's quite a bit of material on the outside, maybe 2 shaves. I'm gonna say 1 though, we'll call it 38, you know? I'd say comfortably 38 shaves on a tub. The Merc second use Astra. Yeah, top of the heap, Astra Blues. I'm working with, this is my 3rd day of growth. It's funny, I'll have years where I won't go, I won't go more than like 2 days without shaving. You know, like typically just 1. And then I'll have like this year where it's like average every 3rd or 4th day. Just is what it is. But yeah, Night Watch Soap Company is also, we're working on, I feel like I'm talking about myself in 3rd person when I say that, but we're working on several more scents. We're working on a balm. Although when you think balm, well, I don't want to give too much away. Anyway, we're working on something else, another product. not just scents. I've picked up working on tallow again, tallow base. I have some ingredients coming in from some of our distributors that I want to add to the tallow base. I don't know. I've got to do the math and see once I'm at a base that I'm satisfied with, and see if it's going to be 50 cents or $1 more for the tallow, in all honesty. And the reason is tallow is just an additional ingredient on top of what I'm already using. And anyway, that's a story for a different video, but it's possible the tallow stays the same. It's the pricing stays the same for the tallow base. And it's possible it goes up 50 cents or $1 for the tub of soap I'm talking about. So in all honesty, I think that's standard across the board for, not all, but for the majority of. I just saw, was it Hags that did the drop with Memento Mori and all those? I think it's like, they have like 4 different bases, like a goat's milk and donkey base and vegan base and mutton tallow base, maybe. I think those are the 4 bases. Good for them, you know. That's way too much for me to want to keep up with, all of those bases. But yeah, good for them. Or him, is it? It's a guy in Greece, right? I think. But yeah, they're really cool. And I've heard a lot of good stuff about him as well. So definitely happy for them. My dog is in the. I think she's getting comfortable in her bed. But yeah, I mean, you know, the lather is the lather. I mean, I don't know where this whole thing came from. People doing this kind of patting my cheek with a brush, right? But as if that tells you anything. I guess like creaminess or density or something. Okay, sure. But I mean, I think in most of those videos where people are doing that, it's like they do kind of like that. And then what they'll do is they'll pause, and then they'll start the thing right now and start doing this. And it's like, oh wow, look at the creamy lather you built up. And that's true, but it's also like, well, I just pulled the stuff out of the brush doing this, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, I think any soap, let me rephrase that. Not any soap could do this, but most of the soaps could. Oh, lather is gooping everywhere on me. Yeah, this scent is nice. This scent is nice. And yeah, I may be slightly biased, but you know how I was when I did, or when I do reviews of other soaps. So if I didn't like it, first off, I would have put it out, right? So. I've got to get the TRC razor, the new aluminum. I watched Angelo's review. I think he said there's a couple of slight differences, but nothing major. You know, if it shaves anything like this America razor, man, we're in for a treat. I need to do a video on my top brushes. I need to do a video on my top. Wow, I've really just soaked this shirt. Top brushes, top razors, top soaps, excluding Night Watch Soap Company's soaps. What else? What else? I think that's it, right? Scent strength on this specific scent to my nose, On the brush, on the lathered tub, about an 8. It's definitely up there. It's much more significant. So let me tell you, just a little brief backstory on. Sorry for the running water. I need to rinse my face. A little quick backstory. I need to do a buffer pass on my chin. I missed a spot. Actually, I missed like a line right there. This soap is slick enough to buffer without any issue. Just add water. But that's not just my soap. That's the vast majority of artisan soap. So, but what was I saying? The backstory. So, my very first soap, which was Midnight Moods. Not that I have a regret, but I would say if I were to release one for my initial soap again, if I had another chance at it, probably wouldn't have been Midnight Moods. Midnight Moods is a lighter scent. It's a great scent profile, but it's a lighter scent. And so I know, I'm one of them. Guys in this community love our strongly scented soaps. And so, again, I wanted something that was a crowd pleaser as opposed to, but anyway, so we live and we learn. No more, at least no time soon, any mild to medium scents or just straight mild scents. So they'll all be at least 5 to 6s, probably 6 to 7s is I'll probably try to keep it. So yeah, if you tried Midnight Moods and you were like, wow, that's some really weak stuff. As far as the scent profile, definitely give one of the others a try, either Love Indoors and Emerald Pools, because those are Emerald Pools. I would put probably at the same rate, probably about an 8, 8.5. Definitely not max strength. I don't do that because of IFRA guidelines. There's certain percentages of fragrance or essential oils that you're given by IFRA, for not having skin issues like frag burn, that type of stuff. I don't care what any other artisan does as far as following those guidelines or not. I have no idea what they do, but we'll follow those guidelines. And we always make test batches of the scent prior to obviously releasing anything. So on the test batches, I'll just smell it. If I think it's within that 7 to 8 minimum range, we'll release it. If it's a good scent I'm talking about. But that's it. That's the shave. Hope everybody enjoyed. Let me rinse off my hand. Yeah, so I think 38, 39, probably 38 shaves off of one tub of Love Indoors. Like I said, we're gonna have the matching EDPs and the matching splashes at the Razor Company either Friday or Saturday. Follow the Razor Company on Instagram and my Instagram, and I'll make a post about whenever it's released. But yeah, that was a good shave. Yeah, I mean, I always talk about the tacky feeling, right? Like you can go back 50 or 100 videos ago and you'll hear me talking about the tacky feeling after a shave. Like your face, even though you have a complete rinse, like your hand, you hear that? Normally you only get that with tallow base, and I'm not, I'm not trying to boast about the base. I am and I'm not, right? Like I'm not saying look at me, but it's like on most tallow bases you do get this feel. I don't think there's a tallow base I have not gotten this feel, but with this vegan base, it really is just phenomenal. Very, very nice. Anyway, let's put on some of the splash. And then what we'll do, smell that, smell it. Oh man, I hope in the future we have like, I know people have referred to it as smell-o-vision since I was a kid, but I hope we have something like that in the future. But Oh man, this scent is nice. I don't know. I go back and forth. One day it's Emerald Pools. One day it's Love Indoors. We're working on 2 other scents right now. One's my wife's specific scent. I don't want to get too much into it. I don't want to give anything away. But phenomenal scent. One that I'm working on. I think it's very good. I'm sending, not this week. We'll make the samples for everybody next week, and I'll send it out to my group of people that I typically send scents out to and bases out to and stuff like that for testing, and we'll get feedback. Hopefully we get all green lights, and then we can start releasing more. But yeah, like I said, that's the shave. No complaints whatsoever.